How you can change or at least put up your avatar on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is go to Facebook, and then just like any other app, you need to go to your own profile, for which you'll have to tap the rightmost icon where you can see your own profile picture, and then click on your profile picture. This is what your profile looks like to the public. Now we need to go to the edit profile section, and then once you go there, we can see three sections. The first one is profile picture, the second one is avatar, and the third one is cover photo. The profile picture and the cover photo is visible to all the publics, your friends, and even people who are not your friends on Facebook. They can easily see your profile picture and cover photo. But the viewers of avatar can be customized. As it's also mentioned here, only you can view this section. Now, if you want further modifications in this section, then you simply need to click on edit, and then your avatar will eventually be loaded. Now, based on appearance, under which there is hairstyle, eyebrows, if you're a guy then mustache, your body type, and everything can be edited. You can also go to store and try out some clothes upon yourself. You can take a look at your closet and then select different types of clothes and everything. And then once you have created your customized avatar, you can click on the option of save, which is right here on the top right corner, just besides the three dots. In this way, you can change your avatar on Facebook, or you can also build a new avatar on Facebook, or you can also remove the avatars from Facebook. Thanks for watching.